Hi, Evidence 7 Activity 19 Talking about Logistics Workshop Exercise 4 Six Sigma Lean and Theory of Constraints by Jefferson Javier Peña Campero. Introduction. Each company or enterprise needs to improve its internal processes. It is also very important that our choice is objective and correct, thinking the best for our company and customers. Improvement methodologies. There are three methods that we will talk about. Six Sigma, Lean Thinking, Theory of Constraints. Six Sigma Theory. The Six Sigma objective is to reduce variation in the processes using statistical tools, quantify and measure. This helps to predict behaviors of the processes. Six Sigma Application Guidelines. 1. Define. The important aspects of problem are identified, are validated, the objectives are set. 2. Measure. It is important to understand the problem. Measurable data is collected. Analyze. The information that was measured is analyzed and the causes of the problem are identified. 4. Improve. Improvements are applied. Second, that they are objective and that their costs are within the established parameters. 5. Control. The measures taken are supervised, also thinking of making changes if necessary. Six Sigma Focus. The focus of Six Sigma method is the problem, thinking of better service and lower implementation costs. Lean Thinking Theory. To remove waste. Better explained is to improve or maintain the results, eliminating all the unproductive or unnecessary of the processes that the company manages. Lean Thinking Application Guidelines. 1. Identify which features create value. What is of value for the customer? 2. Identify the sequence of activities called the value stream. 3. Make the activity flow. People's change of mind is very important. 4. Let the customer pull product or service through the process. The customer is what moves the process, defining the flow value. 5. Perfect the process. Lean Thinking Focus. The focus is the flow. This means efficient use of resource. Theory of Constraints Theory. Manage constraints. Every company or enterprise that offers goods or service has to review its processes and identify its weak link, with the ultimate goal of improving this efficiency and effectiveness. Theory of Constraints Application Guidelines. 1. Identify constraints. Use any method that allows you to find the constraints. 2. Exploit constraints. The constraint is exploited for improve the results. 3. Subordinate. Every process of value flow is subordinated to work at the speed of constraints. 4. Elevate. If the results are not expected, it is necessary to review other means to achieve the objective. 5. Repeat. The sum is done for other value flow processes. Theory of Constraints Focus. The focus are the system constraints. Similarities 1. All the methodologies seek to improve their results with the minimum investment. Customer needs design of the product or service, and if it is correct, the product meets the market requirements. Difference. The main difference is the focus is one. Implementation costs. Obstacles. Basically, the main obstacles are in the how they address certain important aspects. Management theory is seen as a secondary or tertiary problem. Policies, whether formal or informal, measurement to manage and their reward for improvements. General theory of management used by the organization values. Thanks.